Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about 3 lessons learned from Hurricane Ian. We're talking about everyone is in a flood zone. We're talking about understanding the difference between replacement costs and actual cash value. Then we're also talking about what is the real risk for property owners in areas like Fort Myers and Cape Coral, and understanding what your flood risk is so that you can have the right flood insurance. So these were 3 things that have had a big impact on people from Hurricane Ian. The first thing is a lot of people didn't have flood insurance. Actually, almost 80% of people didn't have flood insurance in Hurricane Ian. One reason was a lot of changes with the Risk Rating 2.0 program, where rates had gone up. People had decided not to buy flood insurance who used to be in what was called preferred flood zones. So a lot of people decided not to carry flood insurance, which meant they didn't have it. The next thing was replacement costs and actual cash value. A lot of these people had investment properties, rental properties that were written on flood policies as actual cash value, not replacement costs. This meant depreciation went into the value of their claims, causing claims to be a lot lower. The next thing is people who were inland didn't really understand the real risk of what their property could happen to when it became to flooding. Because flood insurance wasn't required, they didn't think they were at risk. So these were 3 lessons that have been learned so far from Hurricane Ian. So if you want to learn more about how you can protect yourself in a flooding event like this or future flooding events, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can find our flood learning center there and get free resources to help answer your flood questions. If you're ready to take the next steps to getting the right flood insurance coverage, it's 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the simple form. Step 2, receive customized flood insurance proposals from us. And step 3, pick the policy that best fits your needs. Thank you.